Hey guys, so we're gonna start a new series. As you can see, I have a Honda Helix scooter here. And I'm kind of excited for this because I got this for $10 from the auction. So there's like a farm equipment auction near me. It's that one there. And I kind of put a joke bid on this. I was like, let me do just throw $10 at it and see what happens. I wasn't expecting to win it, and I did. So yeah, we're gonna try and get this running. It doesn't run right now. I put a new battery in it, and there was no power. It's not getting any power or anything. So now I'm just looking around and trying to figure out what's going on, why it's not getting power. So that's what I'm gonna do now. It's carbureted. It has oil in it. The oil's dirty. I checked the gas tank. It has gas in it, and it's kind of dirty, I guess. Has some coolant. But yeah, right now I'm gonna try and see if I can get it to even power on, because I can't get any power to the dash. And as you can see, it has it's like 5,000 or 6,000 something miles. I don't know if that even works, but we'll find out. So yeah, let me look into why there's no power getting to the scooter. So we're getting somewhere. I changed a bunch of the fuses that were under in this fuse box. And now let me show you. And now we got dash power. It's got power to the dashboard, so that's awesome. We've got the low beams don't work, but the high beams do. We've got tail light, turn signals, and this was like kind of really like stuck, so I just oiled it up, and that's good. And also it cranks. So yeah, let me see if we can maybe get it to fire off with some starting fluid, see what happens. All right, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of starting fluid. All right, so it fired off with starting fluid, which is good. So it's a fueling issue. So I didn't film this part, but I was feeding it fuel with a bottle, and it would fire it off, and it was running. It was running out of fuel, and then I noticed fuel started dumping out of the fuel line. So I think the fuel pump started working. So that's awesome. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna drain the old fuel. Can't really see it, but there's old crusty fuel in there. So I'm gonna drain that, and we're gonna put fresh fuel in it, put a new fuel line, and see what happens. Still draining. There was way more fuel than I thought. Looks pretty dirty. A little bit of rust flakes down at the bottom. So I'll probably clean up the tank. Doesn't look like, you can't really see it, but it doesn't look terrible. But I'm gonna clean up the tank anyway. But before I do that, I'm gonna put a little bit of fuel in there, fresh fuel, and see if it does anything. So let's try that out. Okay, so I've put some fresh gas in here. New fuel line. I pre-filled the fuel line, filled as much as I could in the bowl, and put some fuel in here into the carb. So let's try to fire it up. All right. Let's see what happens. fire it up. Oh, it's gonna die. It's gonna die. It's running. Nice. So, let's take it for a little ride. All right, so I have no actual good way of filming this ride. So I'm gonna try one-handed, and we're just gonna go around the neighborhood a little bit. So let's see. So it runs pretty good, actually. Not bad at all. Pulls strong too. I can't do a pull right now with one hand, but it pulls strong. Feels good. It's not bad. It's not bad. So yeah, it runs good, and it runs pretty strong. It's not bad. It's not bad. So
I'm happy about that. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna probably take it apart, remove the plastics, clean everything, do some maintenance, and yeah, just get it as close to 100% as we can. So yeah, thanks for watching. It runs, it drives, well, rides, I guess, and I'll have more videos on this Helix coming soon.